guests and fellow Toastmasters. My today's speech is the continuation of my previous speech. I'm not repeating what I said last week. Instead, I'm taking that speech to the remaining portion that I had left in my previous speech. If you remember, my previous speech was on the topic how harsh and rude people destroy others' lives, and how a good behavior can change and can bring positive contribution, can play a positive contribution into the lives of others. So today I'm going to talk about those positive contributions. How can we positively contribute to develop others' life? How can we be a supportive agent for bringing happiness into the others' lives and improving their work-life balance, reducing their focus from pressures from the work, giving them a work area which is conducive for going back happily and bringing those good changes there. So let's start from one thing, that those people who are not rude, they are very soft people, they behave properly. But when you talk to somebody, when you say something to somebody, you normally are giving in a specific tone. Those tones, those face features, those attitude, they mean something. For instance, if I have to say very good, there are three positive ways of saying very good. One is the natural way. Some of my subordinate comes to me and says, sir, I've done this job, and now I would listen to him. He's coming here, I would face him, I would listen to him, and I'll say, oh yes. Then after listening, I said, very good, good one, please continue, very good. This would be something natural. But then there is another style, and this style is taunting style. For instance, he's coming in, he's saying very good, and I would say, he has brought something, and I have to say good, very good. Now, I'm not saying very good, but how I'm saying it, I would say very good. No, this very good, my face expression is not a very good expression. What I'm doing is getting a message. He is astute. He will clearly understand I'm not saying very good. So, I have to say it in a positive way. The third possibility is somewhere in between. It's not taunting, but again, it is not positive. I'm sitting on my table writing something, subordinate comes in and says, sir, you said to do this thing to me, I've done it. No, I'm focusing here, I'm writing. I said, very good, very good. What does this very good mean? Again, this is not contributing anything positive. He understands, he's an astute person, he understands. I'm not listening, I'm not concerned whether he's right or wrong. What I'm doing is simply telling him to go away. Let me do my work, go away. What we are talking here is a positive thing. We are saying that natural way of building people. In this natural way of building people, the first very important area is smile. When you're talking to somebody, when you are giving him any feedback on his work, when a subordinate or a colleague or a peer that comes to you and talks to you, now you have enough time to tell him that you should have enough time to look at him and give him a smile. A natural smile, not artificial smile, not a taunting smile, a natural smile. This smile creates a positive vibe. And a very good thing is, whenever you are talking to somebody, talk with smile. Even when you are talking to somebody on phone, on landline phone, my phone is ringing, I'm going to pick up the phone and say, hello, yes, I'm listening to you. No, at this moment, nobody is listening to me. It is not an audio visible call, the landline call. Still, the good attitude is I should smile. Because when I am listening and smiling, my tone would be positive. My vibe that's going to, the wave that's going to the listener would be a positive one. And if I try to be shrewd, forehead, then what he would listen but he would understand I am not happy with him. So let's be happy with him. The other thing is that the smile creates positivity not only in work but also in a relationship and also in our personal health. So life, balance between work and life comes through smile. Smile. Natural smile. The other thing is saying thank you. We are not used to saying thank you to everybody, to nobody. We take it for granted. Whoever is talking to us, it's his duty to say those things. We should say thank you. And if we have to say thank you, we would normally say thank you to those who are at a respectable position. We would thank you. Like, do we say thank you to the peer? Anybody who's bringing a cup of tea for us, do we say thank you? Normally, no, we don't say thank you to him. That thank you is needed. The third positivity in life comes when we say that, when we try to help others. Be helpful. I'm going to take a cup of coffee from a coffee machine. If I bring the coffee machine for my colleague sitting next to me, what was wrong in it? It's a very simple gesture, but I'm not talking very serious helps, basic helps that create a positive vibe into the listener's life. And final thing in this area is a management concept called FACE. FACE and line. Positive face, threat to positive face. These are philosophies you can learn from the internet. So everybody wants a positive face, means everybody wants to be recognized as a good person. So what you have to do is smile so that people have a positive face.